Greetings, friends. It's me, Al, and Diane from the Blue Heron called and said they had a payment for me. So I need to run to that shop up the road, and I'm going to take you all with me. The women up there are a lot of fun, and it's a handmade shop I sell in, and I have a really good relationship with them. So because they sold, and Father's Day is coming up this weekend, I'm kind of late on it. I should have had work up there probably 2 weeks ago for this. But I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I'm going to take up there to put in for sale. So I have a couple handmade shops I sell in, including this space here on my own. But I only do a couple shows here a year. But I'll flip this camera to show you. So I have some mugs here for Father's Day I'm going to take up just to restock a little bit. And these little shave kits. So these little shave kits were sent to me by another artist who no longer made brushes. These are boar's hair brush, and so they're handmade handles. So thanks very much. You know who you are, and I really appreciate it. And it was just in time to make up these little shave kits. And also, I got some soap, handmade soap from Wet the Face in New Jersey. This is vanilla tobacco. So this will be fun for some dad, for some little kit to shave like grandpa. So I'm going to box these up. I'm going to box all those up and take them to the Blue Heron. So I'm going to see if they want to get on camp. Those women are a lot of fun up there. And I'll show you a little bit about the shop and how I sign the work in. For some of you who may wish to sell in little boutique shops and handmade shops and art shops, they sell quite a bit, and you'd be surprised. And you could get quite a few custom orders or just normal things you sell. Yeah, so let's go up to see Diane and the women at the Blue Heron. Be right back. So I wanted to come back on real quick and you need pricing on your items. Shops will not be happy if you didn't do your pricing. So be sure to put pricing on the bottom. Diane would tell you all about it. So these little kits are going for $40. Little handmade brush, handmade shave soap, handmade bowl. Not bad. So this is for another shop. These are going for a small restock. I already have some stuff down there for another shop. But yeah, do your pricing, right? I think these, yeah, 25. All right, let's go visit Diane at the Blue Heron. All right, so here we are at the Blue Heron, and this is the box of restock that I'm taking. Not a whole lot of stuff. I have quite a bit of stuff in here, so we're gonna go in and see Diane. Diane doesn't really like to be on camera, but she agreed to use her voice. So we're at the Blue Heron, and Wayalusing. So if any of you want to sell pots, this is how you would do it. So what I normally do is I bring them in, and we're at the Blue Heron in Wayalusing. It's an artist store. How many vendors are here, Diane?
38.
38 vendors, so it's quite a lot. So when we bring items in, we need little tags in our sheet, and Diane will make sure that you have everything priced, because if you don't, she'll wring your neck, right, Diane?
Yes. Let's be truthful.
So I think these little handmade Let's see, this one's marked. So I'll sign in 3 shade bowl kits. So people like these for Father's Day, hopefully,
They
right?
do. They do.
So, and 3 big mugs.
Oh,
I knew I needed beer mugs up here.
yeah.
So what we do is we have a sheet like this here, and then you mark what you put in so people don't get confused. So
Very easy.
yeah, should be anyways. I make it complex sometimes, don't I?
Oh, you'll have this. That's just you.
Yeah. All right, so I got three beer mugs. Yeah, I got some like gold tops to come on those. So I don't know how I did it, Diane, but
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
3 beer mugs,
Of course, I would not expect anything different from
3
you.
at 25. So we'll say these are number 028 on the tags. Let's see, I don't have my tags. Do we have
Yep.
yeah. And then let's see, shade bowl sets. Got a nice day out there.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, and it's going to be nice the rest of the week. So
3
yay.
at 40 each. 029. So now I need to make out 3 of these tags for mugs. 028. Oh, 28. My code name is Way.
Yep. 100.
Wow.
You're old. I see you've been busy.
Yeah,
I've been watching you.
I need to get a move on custom orders because I'm getting killed. I got some
That's a
people
good
who
thing.
are kind of unhappy because I got called into work.
Oh, well,
You
they
know, and
gotta
I can't get it done.
understand.
So,
Yeah.
all right, okay, so these 28s will go on here. These 029s will be for the bowls. So these are 25 each. Beer mugs. Oh, 29. These are 40 each. Yeah, I found somebody to get me to make handmade shade brush handles. They came out really nice.
Cool. Great. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Of course.
All right, so I need to just drop these in. Is that what we do? Or I
I'm
just want to take
thinking of maybe, I know tape isn't gonna bother them, so let's just kind of do that so they don't have to dig in the
Yeah.
end to get them.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay, perfect.
Okay, 029. 029. Shape balls.
Perfect. Oh, get these right online.
Yeah, I probably should have brought them up last week because people will be getting gifts, but I'm for last
Well,
minute people, you know?
Yeah,
Like, these would be good for handmade gifts.
it'll be okay. I mean, these are a gift for any time. Really, so we're not going to worry about it here.
All right, so then what do you do? So we can put them over on our display over here.
I said, oh, look at this. Wayne made a mail bowl. They laugh.
Yeah.
Only you would think of
Nobody would know what that meant, and people were asking me like, "What do you use that for?" And nobody really knows that they're apple bakers.
Yeah,
you know? It's kind of tough.
I mean,
I guess not too many people see apple bakers, maybe.
maybe not. Maybe now they don't. I don't know.
Alright, so what I'll do is I'll put soup bowls in the bag. I don't know how these soup bowls are going, but
We did sell some. We've been just
because I don't know. Like in the spring, people like soups, but not so much
Yeah.
in the summer. All right.
I'm
Well,
gonna set one here,
I can put one of these pictures
and
back
I'm
up
gonna
here.
set one on this table here. So
All right. Let's see, we
we
got
have
some
them
right up
kinda
there.
everywhere here.
It's there.
Cool.
So maybe somebody will come in and yeah. All right. Oh. And my check that I caused a problem with before.
Well, you didn't cause any problem. But you could.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yep, thank you